Welcome to STAB exam forum. So we have come up with chapter 14 and in this video we are going to see Venn diagram in the reasoning section. Students, this Venn diagram is very important from the exam point of view, and in DRDO Septem you can find 2 to 3 questions from this topic. Okay, because of its importance we will be discussing theory in this video. Okay, so without further ado, let's see. Students, you might have seen these type of question in any competitive examination where you have to find the relationship between some objects. Okay, and in option you will be given some Venn diagrams. Okay, don't worry, we will tell you what Venn diagrams are and what are the different categories in Venn diagram. Okay, so be settled. So before looking into logical Venn diagram categories, we should know what are logical Venn diagrams. Okay, students, these diagrams are used to show relationship between groups and set. Okay, and this logical Venn diagram name came from very famous mathematician John Venn. Okay, this is only for your general knowledge. Okay, we will show you the categories, how to draw the logical Venn diagram from the given question. Okay, so this category you should represent with the circle, that at least you should know. Okay, so students, let's see the steps. There are basically 3 steps from which you can easily draw any Venn diagram in the reasoning section. Okay, what are those steps? First, you have to find is their relation between given object. Okay, if answer is yes, then you go for the next question, that is which is the biggest category. After that you have to see the relationship between the remaining object. It can be either in the form of sum or all. Okay, so I will show you the 10 categories which you can able to answer each and every questions if an exam it comes. Okay, so let's see the category number 1. So let's see the question first. You have to find the relationship between doctor, engineer and lawyer. So from our strategy, the first question is there any relationship between given object? See, a doctor can be engineer. Just ask the question yourself. Yes, a doctor cannot be an engineer. And one more thing, you should always see the common sense. Okay, if a person is doctor and he is doing engineering also, that is exceptional cases, but in reasoning section you have to see the common sense only. Okay, so doctor cannot be engineer, engineer cannot be lawyer and lawyer cannot be doctor. So there is no relation at all between these 3 groups or these 3 objects. So there is no relationship between 3 groups. So in that case there will be no point of intersection between these 3 circles. These 3 circles represent each of these 3 objects. Okay, so let us see few more examples. Let's say English, Latin and Greek. Yes, all these are languages, but English cannot be Latin, obviously. Latin cannot be Greek, obviously, and Greek cannot be English. Okay, so there is no relationship at all between these 3 objects. Okay, remember, between these 3 objects, if language is there, then everything comes into that language circle. Okay, let's see the next. You can try rice, mustard and beetroot. This is also very simple. And last one is hockey, football and cricket. There is no relationship between hockey, football and cricket. Don't confuse that hockey, football, cricket all has ball in it. No, you have to see the relationship between the given categories. Okay, hockey cannot be football. With the help of hockey you cannot play football, right? And with the help of football you cannot play the cricket, right? So there is no relation at all between these three objects. Understood? I hope everybody is on the same page. Yes. Coming to the next category, let us see the question from which you can easily interpret this logical Venn diagram. Judge, thief and criminal. So the first question is there any relationship between object? Yes, you can see there is a relationship between thief and criminal. Okay, we will not bother. Okay, there is a relation. So question number 1, yes, there is a relationship. So we come up with the next question, which is the biggest category? Okay, here criminal is the biggest category, and relationship between judge, thief and judge and criminal, there is no relation. So this abandoned circle is your judge. Okay, judge cannot be thief, judge cannot be criminal. Again, I am saying that don't go for the exceptional cases. A judge can also be a criminal, but that is very rare, of the rarest cases. So don't go into such exceptional cases. Okay, so every thief is a criminal, you know. Okay, so the last three, find the relationship between the objects. So is there any relationship between thief and criminal? Yes, there is a relation. Every thief is a criminal. Yes, so this circle represent, the inner circle represent thief and the outer circle represent criminal. So every thief is a criminal. Okay, but every criminal cannot be thief. Right now? Understood? Yeah. Let's see the other questions. Metal, iron and chlorine. Okay, so there is a relationship between what? Metal and iron. You know, iron is a metal. Again, all the iron are metals, so you can made these concentric circles with this metal and iron. As you know, chlorine is a non-metal and chlorine cannot be iron, so we made a separate circle for that. Okay, try to solve these two question also, and these are very important from the exam perspective, whatever I have put. Okay, coming to the next category, let's see the question first. Reptile, snake and lizard. So is there any relationship between objects? Yes, there is a relationship. What is the relationship? All these are reptiles. Yes, and which is the biggest category? Reptile is the biggest category. So we made a big circle which represent the reptile. Okay, and all the snakes are reptile, right? So this represents snake, and all the lizards are reptiles, so this is also a circle. But all snakes or some snakes cannot be lizard, and all lizards cannot be snake. Okay, so there will be no overlapping section between these two, therefore there is no relationship between these two. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. Okay, try to see these three parts also. Just have a look on it. Okay, if you have not understood, you can ask in our comment section. We will try to answer your question. Okay, coming to the next category, let's see the question. You have to find the relationship between square, rectangle and polygon. Is there any relationship between all these three? Yes, all are polygon, that is for sure. But all squares are also rectangles, right now? But all rectangle cannot be square. So this biggest circle represent polygon. So, and this second inner circle, this one represent your what? Rectangle, and all squares are rectangle. Okay, okay, this is mathematically you should know that square has 4 sides. Okay, a rectangle has 4 sides also, but length and breadth means the opposite sides of rectangle are parallel to each other. Okay, but in square all sides are equal. In rectangle only opposite sides are equal. Okay, so all squares are rectangle, but all rectangle are not square. So this concentric circle represent this type of category. Okay, coming to the next question, food, vegetable and carrot. So is there any relationship? Yes, there is a sure relationship between these objects. Which is the biggest category? Yes, food is the biggest category. So we made a draw a large circle which represent food. Now every vegetable is a food, right? Every carrot is a vegetable. So this smaller circle represent carrot and the middle circle represent vegetable. So these are overlapping on one each other. You can see these two also, these are very important. Okay, just have a look on it. Yes, coming to the next category, this is very important and very interesting one. Let's see, doctor, teacher and engineer. This is very important from exam point of view, and student generally confused with this type of question. So let's see the relationship. Is there any relationship between given objects? Yes, there is a relationship. Okay, again I am telling you, just look on the common sense point of view. A doctor can be a teacher, right? Generally a doctor can teach also. Okay, an engineer can also teach, but a doctor cannot be engineer for sure. There can be exception, but doctor cannot be engineer. So there is no biggest category in it which you can bifurcate. So let's see the relationship. So if I made this as a doctor and made this as an engineer, so there is no relationship between these two, doctor and engineer. But if I made this circle as a teacher, so some doctors can be teacher and some engineers can be teacher. Okay, so doctor and engineer doesn't have any relationship between them. So this is the correct Venn diagram for this type of question. Okay, you can note it down, this is very important. Okay, let's see the next category. Let's see, the question is female doctor and patient. So again, is there any relationship? Yes, doctor can be female, male, patient can be male and female. Okay, which is the biggest category? I think female is the biggest category, right? Or it can be doctor, it can be patient, nothing else. So there is no clear-cut answer to these two questions. Let's see the relationship. Okay, so I made a female circle. So let's see, give the answer. All the doctors are female? No, some doctors are male also. So if I draw these two circles which represent female and doctor, okay, so this represent female doctors. Again, patient can be male and female, and patient can be doctor or some other profession. So this represent patient. This is also very interesting one. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. Again, graduate, teacher and pair, you can think of all this Venn diagram with yourself. If you are having any doubt, you can ask in our comment section. Okay, these are very simple one if you apply your common sense thing. Okay, coming to the next category, this is very interesting again. So the relationship between father, male and doctor. Okay, is there any relationship between them? Yes, there is a relationship. Which is the biggest category? From my perspective, male is the biggest category, right? So I draw a circle, this one circle as a male. So again I am telling you, don't just go for the common sense. Okay, only male can become father. Okay, so this smaller circle represent father. So all father are male. So this two concentric circle represent this thing. Okay, and again doctor can be male and can also be a father. So these two overlapping region represent doctor as a father, this region represent doctor as a male, and this represent other doctor, might be female doctors. Okay, understood? Woman, widow, mother, you can have a look on it. Coming to the next category, this is similar to the above one. Let's see, father, male and children. I already explained you in previous, this is father, this is male, and this is the children. Okay, children cannot be father, right? Yes, you have to apply your common sense. Children cannot be father. Okay, so children can be male, so this portion represent male children. Okay, and this represent some other category children. Okay, I hope you are liking it. Yes, coming to the next category, animal, land animal, sea animal. This is also very important. Is there any relationship between objects? Yes, there is a clear-cut relationship between these objects. Which is the biggest category? Yes, animal is the biggest category. So this large circle represent animal category. So is there any relationship between land animal and sea animal? Yes, land animal can be simple animal, sea animal can also be simple animal. Okay, but there is a relationship between land animal and sea animal. There is an exception which we are talking. What is that exception? Yes, tortoise is there. Okay, amphibians category is this one. Okay, these are amphibians. Okay, so these are land animals, these are sea animals, and these are both land and sea, which we call it as a amphibians. Okay, this is very interesting. You can have a look by yourself. Coming to the last category, I think this is brick, house and bridge. Okay, is there any relationship? A small relationship you can find out. Okay, what is the biggest category? Yes, I think biggest category is brick, because from brick you can make your house, from brick you can make the bridges. Okay, but there is no relationship between house and bridges. Okay, so this is your brick circle, this is your house circle. House is made up of from brick. Okay, sometime it can be made from other object also. See, this represent that region, and this one represent bridge, bridge made up of brick, or this portion represent brick made up of some other thing. So this Venn diagram is the correct Venn diagram for that. Okay, law student, science student and man, again this represent the same thing. This man is the biggest category. You can have a look on it, whatever we told you. Okay, so this is the theoretical portion of logical Venn diagram. If you like this video, you just tell us. We will come up with more videos on logical Venn diagram, as this is very important from the exam perspective. Okay, that's all for today, students. We will come up with more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.